Doon sa South Korea, if you look at this, hindi natuloy ang martial law kasi nga ang mga lawmakers nila was against it, and the lawmakers was not controlled by their head of state, head of government nila. However, dito sa Pilipinas, medyo delikado tayo kasi if in any case, the head of government natin, let us say BBM will do that, he has the upper hand kasi control niya, well, he has a control over the Congress. So magkaiba, pero sana naman maging lessons learned yan. At maging lesson din ng ang history ng Pilipinas na ang mga Pilipino hindi napapayag ulit na mabalik tayo sa darkest part or the darkest time of our history na that was the martial law during his father's time. That's senior, Ferdinand Marcos Sr. Sana naman wag kasi para tayong babalik sa sa nakaraan at dapat nga ang ating patutunguhan ay moving forward tayo, moving to a politically progressive Philippines.